Today I want to show you the benefits of living in China's cashless society. Then all you have to do is take the QR code, smile the camera, Lincoln's first vlog, and how much is this one? See you later.
Hi.
Oh, welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, then my name is Jason, aka Wamanko, aka Mr. Yois, aka Hambo Wang. And here we have Mrs. Yois.
Hello, fans.
Here we have little baby Lincoln here, aka Wildman Jr., aka freshly registered Chinese citizen here.
It's awake.
He's awake.
Say hello to everyone.
Say hello.
Say hello to everyone.
You're quite a strange looking Chinese with a ginger hair, are you?
First ginger Chinese.
Seems like you're not very impressed by being in the video, are you?
Always smile to camera.
Smile to the camera. Lincoln's first vlog. Oh no, this is his second vlog. Lincoln's second vlog.
Not bothered.
You're not much of a enthusiastic vlogger, are you? Ah, what a lovely day it is for a stroll through the park. Just perfect weather today here in Guizhou province, one of the poorest provinces in all of China. Look at that blue sky there. Ah, Mercedes there. Yoisa. Right, I'm gonna go and get a drink now, and I want to show you something in China. I want to show you China's cashless society. Oh. Did you see that in that shop? I just walked in, got a little drink, took out my phone, swiped it in a second. Don't have to mess around with cash, don't have to carry a wallet or credit cards. You can just use your phone for everything. Another example here, look, these power banks. You just simply scan your phone on their QR code, you can pick up a power bank, charge your phone, they're everywhere. This is just outside of a bakery. Look there, I've only just walked like 10 meters. Another power bank. Scan, charge your phone. Easy as that. But fortunately, I don't need to charge my phone because I've got a lovely Huawei phone. Not a sponsor, by the way, but Huawei, if you're watching this, give me a call. You want to order some chicken balls, just simply scan the QR code and get some salty balls for you. These ones have got chicken inside, do they? But usually they don't have chicken in there, sweet in other provinces.
Has two flavors.
Ah, very yoisa. Chicken balls. Let me have one chicken ball then. Zhao's hogging all the chicken balls. There's only one left, look.
You didn't say you wanted.
Let me have one singular ball. This is how you eat a chicken ball in China. Elisa! Need a bicycle? Just come over here, scan the QR code, and how much is this one?
It's 1.5 kwai for per 30 minutes.
For 30 minutes, and this is actually an electric one as well, so if you get too tired of pedaling, you can just use the electric motor. Wow, that's pretty cheap, yeah? It's 1 kwai.
Bye! See you!
Right, so make sure you put your helmet on and stay safe, guys. Always follow safety rules. Right, and then away we go, that's it. See you later.
Hi!
Hi there. This is just one of the reasons why I love living in China. The convenience of being able to just take out your phone and use one of two apps, WeChat or Alipay, and just scan the QR code, or they scan yours, and you can just do so many things around the city. All you need is your phone, that's it. That's it. How's baby Lincoln doing? If you want to support this channel, you can support me on Patreon, buy me a coffee, or you can join me on YouTube memberships. Now, the benefit of joining my Patreon is that you get a shout out, and today's shout out is from YouTube channel 9 Pandas. He has a new video out, China official blockchain currency with Winston Ma, author of The Digital War. I've left a link in the description, you can go and check out that video. Scanning in, once again, QR code, scan here. For the old Rona, make sure everyone's safe in the city. Make sure you put your mask on before you go into these public places that require masks. I've got the green code, I'm in the clear. Another great way of using a QR code and using WeChat. Everyone uses it. Another example, if you want to order a burger at Hambawang, all you have to do is use this machine. Ah, look, QR codes once again. Dining. Are you having any? Maybe I. Zhao doesn't want a burger. I shall make my special burger. Add 2 of these patties, 1 cheese, 1 tomato. Alright, and then you just press order. Shall we get Lincoln his first burger for the Burger Prince here? He's waiting for his first burger. Hey, I want a burger.
You're gonna wake up.
Oh no, don't wake up, don't wake up. The Burger Prince still can't have his first burger yet, so I'll just eat for him instead then. So then all you have to do is take your QR code, scan, wait for your ticket, wait for your ticket for your burger.
You run out of paper.
Hurry up, Burger King. It's jammed. My ticket's there. This is not a good example, Burger King. I can just say, can you grab that? Can you grab that? Everything is open. It's there. Right, so I have my ticket from Burger King. I don't know if it has my order number on. Burger King staff coming to look at the Burger Prince. They were kind enough, they got our ticket out of the machine. It was jammed in the machine. Oh my god, just look at this. Just look at this state like that. That is just a thing of beauty. It's almost as heavy as Lincoln.
Good veins in your neck.
What did the Burger King staff say?
She said she wants to have a look of the future king of Burger King.
Lincoln just woke up.
Can sniff the burger.
I think he could smell the burgers. He's licking his lips. Do you want a burger? I'm gonna blend a burger and put it in the little milk bottle. Want to buy some fruit by the street side? Then by all means, scan her QR code there. Everyone has a QR code at their stalls. Don't you worry about it. How about an ice cream? Let's head inside. Wow, look at this, it looks amazing. What is this one? Vanilla brownie or something? Wow, look at those brownie chunks. Even has QR code here to order. Another good example of the convenience of QR codes. If you want to support this channel, then by all means scan the QR code on the screen now. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks for the support. Car parking. Just pull up, park, scan the QR code, or you can scan the parking attendant's QR code There you have it. Convenient once again to park. Need a taxi? You can either order on your phone a DD app, which is Chinese Uber, or you can just jump in a normal taxi and scan the QR code that's in there. Okay, so that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed that little QR adventure, and I will see you in the next one. Signing off. Signing off.